Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, verify you meet the prerequisites, account level 20 or higher and 3-story missions cleared, then gather materials. Once done, collect 5 gold shards, 1 mystic key, and 50 coins. These unlock the initial ritual. Travel to the shrine at Northridge Grid C4 and set a 30-minute window for the sequence. Make sure to equip items that boost luck and speed. This increases success chance and saves time. Now execute the core sequence carefully. Tap rune A, wait precisely 4 seconds, then swipe from rune B to C and insert the mystic key. Timing matters. Aim for intervals within plus or minus half a second. Use a stopwatch or rhythm aid to help. Keep the energy gauge stable between 40 and 60%. This steady range prevents backlash and preserves materials. If the gauge dips, pause and use a small energy potion to recover before continuing. Finish by performing the final chant. Hold the activation button for 6 seconds and release exactly at the pulse peak. This locks the transformation. Once complete, check your inventory and the special item slot for the golden Bing Bong. If you don't see it, don't panic. Reset the shrine, reinsert 1 mystic key, and repeat the sequence. 1 key troubleshooting tip. If timing errors recur, practice the hold release on a dummy shrine until your release consistently matches the pulse peak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.